Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fill a Belize travel I declare traveler declaration form when you enter or exit Belize. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Belize travel form. Okay. Now, more and more countries are nowadays going towards digitalization of their immigration process, be it visa or be it like filling up arrival card or custom declaration. And it's good that Belize have this too. So let's go through this, guys. So in front of you, I've opened this I declare site. Here we need to put the captcha first to enter and click on validate. Okay, so two options, arriving and departing. So in this video, I'm gonna go for arriving. In some other video, I'll go for it. Origin of trip, the airport from where you will be boarding the flight. Okay, so these are the options. I select Canada. Country of residence, where you live. I select Canada. Click on next. Okay, arrival form. Date of arrival when you are coming. Let's say you're coming on 30th. Port of arrival, but last city. Let's say Toronto. Flight vehicle number. AC. Yes, sample guys. Last name. Wow, first name is mandatory, not last name. Of course, I'm not gonna submit, but yeah, you can. And you should do it as per your own case. All the data you see here is sample. Yes, sample. Gender, country of birth. Again, do it as per your own case. Dual citizenship or nationality, sorry. Canadian, wow. Dual citizenship, I select no. Marital status, I select single. You need to do as per your case. IT, consult, and passport number, country of issue, and all these things that you enter, especially your passport and any other detail. Do everything at least, I mean, check everything at least 2 times, not just one. Date of expiry, sample. Date of issue, home address. Okay. Oh, sorry about that, guys. State, province, postal zip code, country, Canada, countries listed in last 30 days. So do it as per your own case. I'm just doing this. Okay. Intended district in Belize, intended town, intended street, hotel name. Wow. If you have already booked your travel, definitely you have these details. Length of stay in specified days. Let's say you'll be staying there 15 days. Purpose of visit. I select tourist visitor. Accommodation, hotel. Are you traveling family? I select no. Save. Now custom form. So if you're traveling in family, like only one can report this. Okay. Lot of the number of piece of baggage accompanied and hand baggage. Select 2. Piece of baggage unaccompanied. I select 0. Duty-free exemptions, like you should read, and then merchandise, what are the exemption, and then total number of merchandise purchase acquired abroad and bringing to Belize in Belize dollars. They have even given the conversion rate too. Okay, and you need to describe price. Are you bringing food, animal products, plant products, other risk and animal medicines, organism, soil equipment used with animal plant, outdoor sport, hiking footwear, fire and ammunition, explosive. Past 30 days, have you visited forest, contact with animal? Importation of currency. Are you carrying more than this? And anything here you need to check and save. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but this is how you do. So I hope you like this, and this is available in other languages too, Spanish too. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.